Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix microphone background noise in Windows 11 clear sound instantly. First method is open sound settings. Select microphone. Turn on voice focus. Second method is change sound settings. Open microphone properties. Uncheck Enable Audio Enhancements and uncheck Exclusive Mode. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.